Interested in a 2011 Ford Focus? Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.